This is Bran. Bran is a 3 to 4 year old male crossbreed boy who's been with us for a couple of months now. Bran is looking for a more adult home environment that is going to help him settle in with plenty of time and a good bit of fuss and attention and some TLC. Bran is an active boy, so would need a home that's going to give him plenty of exercise. He could live with another dog, but would prefer to be in an adult home. Bran loves doing bits of his training and will need ongoing training to help him out on lead, because he can get quite overexcited meeting other dogs. So he could do some of the basic training, keep him stimulated in the home. Hello. Good boy, well done. Good lad. Happy?